Among the giants of aviation, few command the presence of the Martin JRM Mars.
This is the Philippine Mars, a veteran of the skies, its history written on its weathered skin.
To understand this Titan, we must look beyond its surface, into its very structure.
Its immense size is managed by a conventional array of primary flight controls, ailerons, elevators, and rudder.
A design dedicated to a single, critical mission: aerial firefighting.
4 interconnected tanks hold a staggering 7,200 US gallons of water.
Ready to be deployed with precision and overwhelming force. But power is nothing without control.
The massive elevators on the horizontal stabilizer govern the aircraft's pitch,
while the single, towering rudder provides directional yaw control.
Along the trailing edge of the wings, the ailerons manage the aircraft's roll.
Together, these surfaces work in concert, guiding the immense weight of the Mars with surprising grace.
But the true heart of the Mars lies not in its control surfaces, but in the 4 titans that give it voice and power.
The Wright R-3350 Duplex-Cyclone, an 8-cylinder air-cooled radial engine, a masterpiece of its era.
Within each engine, a complex symphony of mechanics lies in wait, perfectly preserved and ready for the call to action.
The sequence begins with an electrical charge, coaxing the immense rotating assembly from its slumber.
Fuel and fire meet. The first cylinder ignites, and the symphony begins. The sequence is repeated. Each 18-cylinder giant awakens in its turn. The ignition sequence begins. As the spark plugs fire, the pistons drive the crankshaft. 3,700 horsepower multiplied by 4. A crescendo of controlled power. Finally, the last of the 4 giants awakens. Engine number 1. The process repeats. The electric starter engages the flywheel, initiating the first turn.
Wright R-3350 Duplex-Cyclone. Observe the ignition sequence as the pistons engage.
With over 10,000 horsepower unleashed, the Philippine Mars is ready. The conceptual model gives way to the reality. On the calm surface of Sproat Lake, the Philippine Mars prepares for its mission. With throttles advanced, the massive hull overcomes inertia, beginning its journey across the water. Each of the 4 propellers acts as a powerful turbine, churning the lake's surface into a torrent of white water. From the flight deck, the world is a reflection of sky and water, a pilot's view of the elements. The aircraft now turns into the wind, positioning itself for the final, crucial phase, the takeoff run.
With its turn complete, the aircraft is now aligned into the wind, utilizing the full length of Sproat Lake as its runway.
Key to its powerful takeoff is the precise control of its 4-bladed, variable pitch propellers.
This system allows the pilot to adjust the angle, or pitch, of the propeller blades to maximize engine efficiency.
For takeoff, a fine pitch is used to allow the engines to reach maximum power and thrust quickly.
The Martin JRM-3 Mars, affectionately known as the Philippine Mars, represents
Full throttle. The 4 Wright R-3350 engines unleash a combined 12,000 horsepower.
Each of the 18-cylinder supercharged engines operates at peak performance, converting fuel into immense rotational force.
This force is translated into thrust, overcoming the immense inertia and water resistance.
The hull is designed to plane, lifting the aircraft onto the surface of the water as it accelerates. A spectacle of power and engineering as a Titan prepares to reclaim the sky. At the heart of this power are 4 Wright R-3350 Duplex-Cyclone radial engines,
Each 18-cylinder behemoth, generating over 2,500 horsepower at takeoff. This immense thrust must overcome both aerodynamic drag and the powerful hydrodynamic resistance of the water. As speed builds, the hull must climb onto the step, a crucial transition point, shedding the grip of the lake to finally embrace the air.